Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook, and here's how it is done. Get started, open the Facebook app on your phone and tap your profile picture located next to the What is on your mind section. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap the three horizontal dots next to Edit Profile to access the profile settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Turn on Professional Mode. You will see some information about professional mode. Tap Turn On, and from there, you can choose settings like enabling public post. Select Continue to complete the setup. Once you are done, tap Back, and now your profile will display as a digital creator, and you will have access to the professional mode dashboard. That is everything you need to know about how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.